from La Puente. It's a little outside LA if you're not sure where that is. That is just two people. Rock duo of Joanna Glass and Abe Perez. Glasspirits.com. You want to know more? This album that this song Charlize is on comes out May the 13th. Mysteries of Rhythm Dawn. Glasspirits, Charlize. Check it out. I told you she had a good voice, right? Huh?
Oh, really?
Something. Let's go home. I'm tired. We played already. Sound check was enough.
Look at this play.
I'll be right. He's out just to show the people in there.
Oh.
You're not just going there.
Yeah, we're performers. Thank you. Okay. Hi, we're performing. Hi.
Sounds good. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. Ooh, look at this. Very nice. Very, huh?
There's a lot of good food, I can tell already.